So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna, what? We also might put spray on it. Good. We're gonna actually connect the nitrous. We didn't think we needed it. We probably don't.
But we do.
Yeah, baby. So, if you've been watching our content, you've probably realized there's been a massive lack of the Donk.
Oh! Oh my God! Well, now I'm deaf.
Doing burnouts.
Wow, king scumbag.
Was that what I was supposed to do? It was supposed to be the first burnout.
Oh, another fire.
No, it's on fire. Yeah, there's fire down there. Nice work. You lit the car on fire in 3 places. Good job.
Or in anything.
You don't even
Other than just sitting here in this bay. And that's because I might have blown the transmission up in this old heap.
No, that ain't gonna work.
It did what it needed to do for a very short period of time, but we needed something beefy. We needed something that was gonna last so we could beat on this thing as it was built to do. So our boys at Gearstar came through with this fully built 4L80 for it. It's gonna handle some serious power. Let's get started. All right, hit him with it. Oh. Tail shaft. Ready? Yep. Wow. Yes. All right, here's what we got. This is a Gearstar Pro 4L80E level 4 transmission. Essentially the same type of transmission I had in my C10. Similar to the transmission that's in my K5, except that's a 4L85E, but same from Gearstar. Bam. He just knew I was gonna be doing 4-wheel drive. Donuts. Dumb shit. Getting that fast lane, just wah wah, you know, like let it open. 4L85 can handle a little bit more shock load and torque and everything, but this thing is bad. We got a Yank billet triple disc converter. This is nice. These are very nice pieces. Spool up exactly how we need, and it's all spec'd out to the cam specs in this motor, set to our rear gear ratio and the tire height. This thing will party.
Let's party.
So these can typically hold up to about 1,000 foot-pounds, 1,000 to 1,200. Just I think our specs are set to about 1,200 foot-pounds. It should have basically 300M shafts, planetaries, really sick upgraded clutch packs, upgraded valve body.
It works.
So these things work well. I've beaten the living dog shit out of every single one I've had in my truck. Never had a problem with them. Finally, we got something that can hold, well, all that. Because we got some abuse to give it. At SEMA, baby!
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we're prepping. We're bringing this out to SEMA, so, you know, it needs to do good. Can't be bullshitting with you guys. Anyway, we're gonna stab that trans in, get this thing ready to go, and then we're gonna send it over to Subi's brother at Redline, throw it on the dyno, get it tuned, get it ripping. Fire! eviscerate some tires. Let's party. One of the nice things about getting a transmission from Gearstar is that they send you some extra fluid and send you a transmission cooler. We already have one in here, but we're gonna actually double up the trans coolers, run them in tandem. That way we can make sure this thing stays extra cool and, you know, doesn't overheat itself with all that torque behind it. Are you waiting on me?
Yeah.
Send that bitch out here. Guys, look at all this room for activities. It's probably high enough, don't you think? Look at all this room for fun. Okay, so we get this bad boy up in there, make sure we don't pinch off any of these, and we good, baby. 2 cents. Man, this QA1 stuff turned out good. See, there's our trans cooler. Got to hook up that fan, but we're gonna run 2 of them.
Oh, it has a pigtail.
Man, we even got hooked up to AC.
Yeah.
Scrubs. You can't be driving around with no AC. Isn't that right, Gary? Would you drive this without AC?
No.
Exactly. This car is about riding in style and comfort. You need air conditioning. And this got a vintage air kit on it, man, so you know it's good.
This was before my time. So
Okay.
all
Okay.
this stuff.
Well, this is, you know what? This is on you. This is now, he's going to take care of it because he's the man. That's right. You too, Gary. This is your project manager on this now. We need those 15s working. We need that nitrous oxide working. We need AC.
Bet.
Okay.
You need AC?
This needs AC.
I gotta keep it cool.
You know, if he doesn't put AC on it, you slap the shit out of him. All right, Gary. This is tranny powerlifting. That didn't come out right. Get it close. Get it close. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
I like when they did it in a drum line. They had the whole band singing.
Oh yeah, that shit was sick.
This is my first time doing this, and this just goes nice. There's no jiggling.
Do it like a tiger.
You gotta drop that ratchet strap though. It's hitting the. Just like that, car's back on the ground, trans is in, plugged in. Easy stuff. Just gotta connect the drive shaft, the exhaust, a couple lines, mount the second cooler. Good to go. It's been about 20 minutes so far, so far so good. Alright, trans is in. Now we just got to put all the other stuff on, and next stop is Party Town.